Well, once again, speculation is rife that Alka Lamba is all set to quit her party, the Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, this doesn't really come as much of a surprise because the distance between Alka Lamba and the leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party has been growing over the last few months, and most notably in the Delhi Assembly session last, when there was grave differences between the two over the Rajiv Gandhi mention in the Aam Aadmi Party resolution as well. Remember, 2 days ago, Arvind Kejriwal also unfollowed Alka Lamba on Twitter, which was another indication. And we're getting to know that she's been removed from certain official Aam Aadmi Party WhatsApp groups as well. Now, there is no denying that political differences have become larger than ever as far as Alka Lamba and her party are concerned. And she's been often linked to a move back to the Congress party. My colleague Anuj continues to be with us. So, Anuj, you know, this is something that has been ongoing for quite some time. And it seems to be now coming to a pass where perhaps very soon there could be an official announcement either by Alka Lamba or the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, actually, this is the latest development coming in from Aam Aadmi Party, where the internal tussle now is in open. Last time also, this was Alka Lamba who headed Aam Aadmi Party. And today, what we have been told by the top sources that Alka Lamba has been removed from many of the official group of Aam Aadmi Party. And there, the discussion is on, the discussion is going on that how to go further with the things. But yes, we are expecting something since till the evening, that something can happen. And the speculation is that Alka Lamba may quit Aam Aadmi Party. This is to wait and watch what will be the next decision. But yes, the internal tussle going on within the Aam Aadmi Party is out in open now, and Alka Lamba is making it very much clear. Last time also, when Alka Lamba spoke to Republic TV, Shivani, she made it very much clear that what are the differences, what is the differences within the ideology of the Aam Aadmi Party and Alka Lamba. So this is to wait and watch that what will be next. But yes, what we are expecting is something big till the evening, that Alka Lamba may quit Aam Aadmi Party. We have to wait and watch for the official announcement that what will be the outcome from Aam Aadmi Party.
Yes. In my conversations with Alka Lamba also, Anuj, for the benefit of our viewers, we should mention she has always maintained that she feels sidelined within the party and that they don't even actually call her for many of the official events. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal unfollowed her on Twitter, and there's been overall just a lot of differences that have emerged. Perhaps only a matter of time when some decision is taken. Anuj, thanks a lot for the meantime.